Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is this December month unfolding for us. Okay, let's see the cards now. First card is Nine of Cups. So Nine of Cups is a card which tells now in this December you are coming to know that this is who I am, this is what I want out of this experience called life. So these are my wishes. Now you have written and kept this package is me, who's longing to live this life is me. Okay, and in that also what you have done is you have written everything point by point, and you have prioritized. This is my first point, this is what I want immediately, this is my next point, this is my next, like that. So which first you have fixed now, this is what I want to live, that one you have made it into your target. Okay, and you are working on that. Now then, Ten of Pentacles. First is Nine of Cups. So once you know this is who I am, this is what I want, and this is the whole package, me, who I am, like that. After that, when you know all these things, you're working on your passion, you're making your passion into career, you're investing your energy and time, and you are putting your whole soul and heart and working for it day and night. You are not struggling and working, but wishfully you are working, willingly you are working, willingly you are putting your energy. So how much energy you are investing in it, universe is giving you multiple folds back. That is what is this Ten of Pentacles. Complete financial stability, financial abundance. Because of this financial abundance, you have emotional security. Then next is King of Wands. King of Wands is a person who's like always action oriented, who's very trustworthy, who's like very very professional, meditative personality, and who's like action taker. He is not a person who keeps on thinking and thinking and thinking. His action will be, he wants something, then he knows, collects information about that, knows that in detail, then he himself creates a plan of action in his mind, then he executes the plan of action in a complete leadership way. Okay, so that is what is King of Wands. Next card is Eight of Cups. So Eight of Cups is like a card which is telling you that in this December 2025, what you'll do is whomever it could be, it's your parents, your kids, your husband, whomever it is, which all situations and what all work and which all people drain your energy, you're just walking away from all those energy. That is Eight of Cups. Next is Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is like you're learning everything about duality, plus minus, dark, light, everything in every aspect of life, every small micro, like nano things also you're learning, all the duality, and you're learning about if there is something good and ugly. You are learning about good, you are learning about ugly also. Okay, so like that it is. So you're learning in depth about all these things. So when you are learning in depth about all these things now, you're learning how to balance them also. You're learning how to ground them. You're learning how to be always the center, always balanced, always be grounded. Only when you know this, you can march forward to oneness. Okay, so now let us see what are the blockages in, like everybody will have their expected outcome now. So you want expected outcome. So now let us see what is stopping you from living this expected outcome. Okay. let us see what are the blockages and how to navigate through those blockages. Okay. Okay, so let us see. This is two of pentacles only, but two of pentacles backside. This is the two of pentacles front side. So whatever you want to balance, if you want to march forward in your journey itself, either it's life journey, spiritual journey, or twin flame journey, whatever it is, if you want to march forward in a journey, you should know about both dual sides. You should know everything in detail about both the things. Okay, so you want to know, but you feel you don't know anything about this both the things. Okay, so that is what this is all is till now. December end, this year end. This is December starting. So in December starting, you are thinking you do not know anything about duality. So you are in December starting only. You are doing research about duality, and you are coming to know everything about duality. And once you know, only you are able to navigate the journey itself. Okay, so you learn everything about duality in December starting itself. Then is the Hierophant. Hierophant is like, here you have started the journey, and you don't know anything about duality, so you are learning about duality, how to balance all those things. Here Hierophant is a person who is like, who lives in this 3D realm, lower dimension, but his soul, sorry, but his soul always lives in the upper dimension. Okay, because he is always energetically in the higher realms. He receives all the spiritual messages and divine source messages as downloads, and he comes down to earth. He channels that exact way how he received without any modification, and gives it to the people. That is his job actually. So he lives with this physical body in the earth and energetic body in the higher realms. So now he has learned how to balance both, how to be grounded, how to be in the middle, always be balanced, always be grounded, how to live life like that. He has learned everything. So his happiness is always under his feet only. He is the happiness of, he is the key of his happiness. His happiness does not depend upon anybody. Okay, so this Hierophant card is also considered as sacred union, because two realms, two different realms are uniting and coming at the center, and are both balanced, and both are maintained in that balance, and grounded also. So this is called a sacred divine union also. Okay, so if you want to come to the physical union, even if you're in twin flame journey, if you want to come to the physical union also, okay, inner union has to happen, then only physical union will happen. Then this is three of swords, this is three of swords backside. Okay, this is three of swords front side. So what I see in this backside is, if some person have hurt your feelings, okay, and you feel that hurt very deep, and it's paining so much for you. So what I see in this card is, there is lots of lack of self love within you. Why are you going for love to the outside people? Just because you're going, you're depending, you're clinging on to people, people are using you, isn't it? And once their need is over, once their usage is over, they feel no more your need is there for them, they throw you out, and you feel very deeply hurted. So whatever love you are searching outside, start giving that to yourselves. You need your own love more than anybody else. Okay, so start practicing self love. So this practicing self love is a complete whole agenda, which you have to take assistance help, you have to learn in detail, and you have to practically practice self love. It's not about the theoretical part. Okay, It's not only knowing, it's about practicing. So go to a coach, take help, practice self love. Then it is Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is you have been waiting for a long time to find out some truth from a loud person, because you are keeping on doubting. This fellow said this. Okay, I understand. I take that point. But how will I know whatever this fellow said is true or not? So, like that, you have been waiting for a long time. And now the time has arrived. The universe itself is showing his true colors to you. Okay, so either whatever he said could be true or it is not true. That's all, no? So, whichever it is, you are knowing the truth behind that. Whatever you were thinking about, I want to know the truth in this, like that. That truth is being shown to you in this December 2025. Because until without knowing that truth, you felt like as if stagnant, you felt like as if what decision I could make. If I know the truth, at least I can make my decision upon that truth. But I don't know anything. I'm just sitting in the assumption mode only. Whatever I'm thinking, I feel like I'm thinking it's like that only. I'm not getting any confirmation. You were stagnant, you were sitting like this. Now universe itself is opening up and giving you the answer you have been long expecting. Okay, the next card is Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles, what I see is this is actually behind. This is the front side. Front side, there are actually three people. Okay, one is the church father, one is the bishop, and one is the student. So student is they're educating the student. This is actually the backside. Only student is here. So when the student is just there, he has lots of doubts and he has lots of things to know, and he wants answers for lots of things, but he do not know whom to ask. So he keeps on searching for the answers. He is not searching for the answers, he's searching for a guide, he's searching for a guru, actually. Okay, so what happens is only when when you are keeping on searching now, you will not get the guru. Only when you become ready as a student, when you become ready to listen whatever others are telling, when you become ready to listen your own inner voice, when you become ready to listen with obedience and how to tell, honoring the person who's going to teach you, actually you are ready. The student is ready. When the student is ready, the teacher is ready. When the student is ready, even a Google Chrome can be a teacher. When the student is ready, even the YouTube can be a teacher. When the student is ready, even anybody passerby can be a teacher. Whatever words come from their mouth can give you the answer, isn't it? So the thing is, you have to get ready to observe this, notice this, learn from all these things. Only when you are ready, the teacher is ready. So like that, now you are feeling, oh my god, I'm left alone, I don't know anything, I need a guru, I need a teacher, I need a guide to teach me everything. You are in that state. No, move on from that stage. Get ready. Become ready as a student. Then your teacher will be ready. Okay. So this is what is all for December 2025. This is all is unfolding in your life. So let us meet up in some other interesting reading. Until then, bye.